Hello friends, this is Rishi George and I am going to discuss about this program. And in this program basically we are going to create C++ programs so that we can store the phone calls and give the money that is charged for the call. And also we have to check that the two phone calls should not be of same number. So we'll see the code for this. We'll start with the basic hash include iostream using namespace std for basic input output statements. Then we have created a class phone call, and inside this class we have three members, that is string pnum, minute and rate of data type float, and all these are implicitly by the type of private, so we cannot access it directly. And then we have created a public, and inside this public there are some functions, and these are the setters and getters. And here we have set pnum, and we have passed an argument as string n through it, so that when we call the function it will be received here as a formal argument here. Same in this set minute also, we have passed float m and minute is equals to m, and through this getter we are taking it back like return pnum. And then we have created a constructor of the same phone call, and inside this constructor we have passed as rate is equals to 0.60, so this will be the rate charge for a minute. And then again we have created a function, this is for the rate only, and in this also we have created like float rate, and inside this we have passed an argument of float temp2, and temp2 we have initialized here, and this will be received here when we call the temp2 there, any variable that we call there. And then we have float r, and for the formula for that rate is r is equals to rate, that is 6.0, and temp2 that is the duration of call that is received, and then return r, that's this. And then we have the operator function, and in this we have int operator like the return type, then the keyword operator, and the operator which has to be called, like we are using the double is equals to operator, then this is equal to operator. And then we have the argument as phone call p, that is the class name and the object. And then we have initialized a variable k, and in this k we have given as bool. Bool will be checking is a keyword, and it will check if the output is 0 or 1, that is true or false, like p.pnum is equals to pnum, that we are entering the number that is already there and the number that we will enter. If both are same, then it will return k, like if it is same, then it will return 1, like false, the condition is false, and it will return 0, like 2. So then we have the int main, and int main we have also created an object of the phone call, and that is two objects we have created here, one of array and one is just simply of object. Then we have created another two variables of data type string and one of float. Then we have a for loop here, and inside this we have initialized I is equals to 0 and I less than 10, so that maximum we can store here only 10 numbers and I plus plus, and we will show that it's call to phone number I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1 to 0 plus 9, so that 0 plus 1 to 9 plus 1, that is 10 numbers we can store in this, and that will be stored in temp. And then we are using this class object, that is the p1 dot, then we are calling that set pnum that we initialized here as setters, and this temp will be passed as a argument that will be received there, and then it will be initialized to num, so the number will be stored in pnum. And then we have temp1 is equals to temp, that is the number we passed here will be stored in temp1. Then again we are calling this through this object p of I, that is this time we are calling through this array p of I dot set name temp1, like this object we are calling here. And then we have a for loop here for j is equals to I minus 1, j less than 0 equals to j greater than or equals to 0, j minus minus, if p1 is equals to p of j. This loop will here help us to check whether the number that we entered is equal to the number that is already there, and it will show an option of cout, you have already entered this, already call this phone number, and cout enter a new number. And here we have used an again, and this is basically used so that here we have a keyword goto, and if this condition is false, like every time we enter the same phone number, then we can use this goto and go to this condition again, and it will show this message again and again. And inside this we have used the same loop here that we use here, so for checking the number that will be same, like for int j is equals to I minus 1, j less greater than equals to 0, j minus minus p of p1 is equals to p of j, and go to again. This is for the checking of the same number. Then again we have the cout for call duration, and it will be stored in temp2. And then we have that same array object, that is p of I dot set minute. This is basically used for that. Again we are calling a function that is the setter method, that is set minute temp2, that will be received there. And then we will show cout call done endl, and cout last call charge is rupees, p of I dot rate temp, that we created a function rate, and this temp2 will be called there, and then we will show out cout end. Now let's see the code for this, output for this. So we'll say that 499 is some number, then we can call duration is 2 minutes. So we can see that 2 into 0.60 is 1.2, the last call charge. And then again a phone number we can give as 500. See the call duration as 5. So it will show that 0.60 into 5 is 3, so the last call charge. And again we'll check for the same numbers, like we have given 499, we'll check it for this. So you can see that it is showing you already call this phone number, and it again goes into the loop for enter a new number. So if we again try to give 499, it will again show the same thing, that you entered the same number. So we will have to give us new number. So we'll give us 501, and now it's not showing the same output, and we will give us something 4. So it will give a last call charge as 2.4. So maximum we can give here a phone call number of 10. Here it is showing of 4. We can give it maximum of 10. So that's it. Thank you.